I'm Wendy.
I'm Steve. And this is Pippin.
And together we're the Happy Travellers.
Another lovely day in Spain, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's warmed up a bit. It's not raining today. We've got cloudy, but a lot of blue.
Yes, we have.
And we're just around the corner from the service station we stopped at yesterday, where we had toilet emptying, LPG fill up, diesel, car wash and laundry, all in one forecourt.
Most reasonable price ever
And
for the laundry.
Yeah. And it's literally about 200 yards down the road to the roundabout and turn in. Let's show you where we're at. So that we're parked in amongst these on a big, well, sort of waste ground, I suppose. It goes all the way over that way, and the main roundabout is sort of down there, and then you turn left off of there. But it's opposite this shopping centre, which is called Dos Mares, I think. It's a bit weird to read. But where are we parked? So the entrance to this is just where those little white bollards are, out there. And we are just next to the van that you can see just about there. So we're just about there. But there's hundreds. It goes from right around here, right along there, right over that way, and all the way back down there. Plus, we've got motorhome parked in the shopping centre car park here. You can see what a lovely day it is. It's there's a little chill in the air, isn't there? And
Just a tiny bit. No, I'm not complaining about that though. No.
No.
We were in the UK, we'd be very cold. And in Sweden now it is very cold.
Yeah.
And in Australia, where our eldest son lives, they've got extreme heat warning. It's over 40 degrees, so we're in the middle. Yes.
We parked here overnight because we thought, well, why drive back to Zenia to park in a similar place that we are now when you've got all these. This is a massive shopping centre, and you've got the petrol station around the corner where it has all the toilet emptying and so on. You've got takeaways across the road right in front of us, and there's another petrol station just along here from the Carrefour's supermarket. So pretty much everything you need, apart from one thing, isn't it?
Yes.
We thought there might be a pharmacy because we've got Pippin's prescription for medication. And the pharmacy at Zenia doesn't do prescriptions, so we need to find a pharmacy. There's not one in the shopping centre. They said on the maps, they said there was a pharmacy just over behind McDonald's, but it isn't there. It's all McDonald's, so the map's wrong. So Wendy says there's a pharmacy about, well, a little walk away.
Yeah, and it's a lovely morning, so it's not far at all. So we'll go there and then see.
Yeah.
Because we thought we'd stop here because we'll pop in the pharmacy in the shopping centre, but of course there isn't one, and then there's not one opposite.
I went in yesterday and asked, you know, where's the pharmacy? And she said, no, there isn't one.
But this one is all enclosed. It's not like the Zenia, so there's no smoking in there and no dogs or vaping or things like that.
Yeah.
You can't sit out, whereas you've got lovely sitting out areas.
It's not as nice as the Zenia, I don't think.
And they had like sun lounges upstairs in the Zenia, didn't they? So you could sit out and look at the sea and get the sun. So it does score highly for that.
Yeah, just like we had visitors yesterday, day before, I can't remember the days go by.
We did.
Day before yesterday it was. Lovely David and Gillian.
Yes.
Subscribers and viewers, they came to see us at La Zenia and very kindly bought us lunch.
Yes.
So we went upstairs to the restaurant area in La Zenia and had the opportunity to see what that was like there. Brilliant up there.
We went in, I think it's a well-known tapas chain of restaurants, and it was like Montenegro or something like that it was called. But it was very, very nice.
I'll put it on screen.
Yes, yeah.
But all of the dishes are like between €1 and €2.
Yes, yes.
So you buy 2, 3 or 4 each, and you've got a good meal. Anyway, we're going to crack on with our search for the pharmacy, and we'll show you when we get there. We've made our way to the pharmacy. It's not where we are now, but we've been to the pharmacy just up the road, and we're in Cafe Bar Victoria. We're just sitting outside under the cover, and we've ordered. Well, we think we've ordered some coffee and ham and cheese sandwich.
Yes.
Haven't we? And that apparently is going to be €3.50 each.
Yes.
So, bit of confusion on the medication for Pippin, because as you know, as regular viewers will know, we paid a lot of money for the Gabapentin at Pets World. We paid 148 euros, didn't we?
Yeah, in there for not very many. We thought we'd got 60 days. Yes.
Or just like 20 days worth. But they gave us a prescription.
Yeah.
We came to Pharmacy Mar Menor. That's where we are.
Yeah.
And we got these 100 milligram tablets of Gabapentin. 90 capsules in a box.
Yeah, two boxes, yes.
So we got 180 of those. I said I needed enough to last us until 15th or 20th of March when we go back to England. She said, oh, that's 50 days, so you need 150 tablets. She said, well, we've got them in boxes of 90. Do you want 2 boxes? I said, yeah, let's have 2 boxes.
Because they never open boxes here.
No, they don't open boxes.
No, never open boxes. You have to, I know that, whatever you're
so
having. Yes.
Then the price came up, you know, and I thought, oh, it's going to be a lot of money. So when she said what I thought was, she said a number in Spanish. I didn't really understand. Anyway, it came up on the payment machine, and it said 6,16. And I said, oh, how much is that? 6 euros or 600 euros? I didn't really know, and then we couldn't really work out. She couldn't work out what I was asking, and I couldn't work out what she was saying. So I thought, oh well. But I tried to pay for it with my phone on the tap. But my tap to pay is limited to a set amount. I have to go and reset it, and it's not 600 euros. So it failed, and I thought, oh, it must be 600 euros. So I came out and got the card from Wendy, went back in, I paid. Well, I transferred money from our contingency fund into the pay account.
Right, there we go. Bless you.
The sandwiches will be ready.
Then
Thank you. Your English is so good. Very good.
go yes. And that's our coffee being delivered. So I transferred 600 euros into the euros account from our contingency.
Sit down then.
Thinking, oh well, just the cost of medication. And I was trying to explain that to Wendy. Wendy was horrified, weren't you?
Well, I couldn't believe it. I said, no, it's a mistake, Steve. I said, there's no way the medicine will be that much money.
€3.
I was going to say, take it
tablet.
back if it was that.
Well, I've done it, and you know, once you've taken the tablets out of the pharmacy, you can't take it back in. They're not going to refund you.
Well, I was in shock because I couldn't believe it,
I
and
know.
you could.
Well,
we were
I
muddled.
was-
You didn't really realise it was going to be that much, did you?
Well,
You didn't know what.
Well, I was thinking, well,
60 pounds. You thought it was going to be £60. I think you thought it was.
€600. I don't know what I thought. Anyway, we're wandering down the road to the cafe, and I thought, well, we'll just check to see how much money's gone out of the account. And those 100 tin, as far as I can tell, they cost €6.
Yes.
So €3 for 90 tablets. That's amazing.
We're so happy. We treated ourselves to a toasty to celebrate, haven't we?
Well, we've spent all our spare money now on coffee and toasted sandwiches. Yeah. So, well, that's an interesting. Well, we
very
need a bit
happy
of
days.
sustenance to make our way back. We're going to take a different route back, because the route we took here was, well, if we were in England, we wouldn't have taken it. but Spanish drivers are much more forgiving, let's say. If they gave us one that was sort of, you know, country road, country lane type roads that we were coming over. But we're going to go back along the seafront at Mar Menor and then back inland. Hopefully it'll be a much nicer journey. We've taken a long time to get here because we can't walk. We can't walk fast, and we have to keep on stopping because it's painful, isn't it? We have to, we've got a lot of ailments going on. But there you go. We're going to take a walk back, and I'm hoping that what's coming up now in this video is a lot of nice pictures of the seaside. So stay tuned, and hope you enjoy. Take care. Bye bye.